this recording. You like that? You like playing like that with your tito? That's how you wanna play with tito. Gentle ah, gentle. We nga, gentle ah. Stop it!
What?
Stop it! Stop it!
I'm trying to make him laugh.
Tayo lang naglalaro eh. Paano kung papadede naglalaro? Are you serious, bro?
What?
I'm literally right here.
Bro, I'm trying to make him laugh.
I can see what you're doing, bro. What are you doing to my kid, man? What the heck? Don't let them do that to you.
Bro, you pushed me and I kicked you. That's your fault.
What you doing? Sit down, ate. Everybody's sitting down, no? Sit down ka lang din. You hang out. You play with us.
Eddie. Stop.